Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi, School Morning Assembly anchoring script on the theme Love One Another. Do you wish to be free? Then, above all things, love God, love your neighbor, love one another, love the commonweal. Then you will have true liberty. Let us love one another and help others to rise to the higher levels simply by pouring out love. A warm and heartiest morning to the beautiful gathering. My name is Minakshi, student of class 8, presenting today's morning assembly on the theme Love One Another. Dear friends, people who love each other are the happiest people in the world. And it's time to start today's morning assembly. It is important to stay close to God. Prayer is a shield to the soul. When we pray, to God, God listens and answers in the form of thoughts, spiritual feelings, and actions. Let's develop a trusting relation with the God and get ready for prayer. So, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer and pledge. Loving all implies care and appreciation for others, regardless of who they are to us. The world will become a better place by showing empathy, connecting with those around us, and loving each other. And with this, next we have thought of the day. And for today's thought, I would like to invite on stage Vyom from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Vyom. Thought of the day is people who love each other fully and truly are the happiest people in the world. They may have little, they may have nothing, but they are happy people. Everything depends on how we love one another. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Vyom. We may heard that love to those who care for you and hate your enemy. But dear friends, you all know that the sun rises on the evil and the good. Have you seen rain occurs on the right people and wrong people as well? So we should take lesson from this. We get love from God. Apart from this, we are not capable of loving like God from others. Why love is so important? Let us understand with the next, and I would like to invite on stage Rudima from class 8 to speak on love one another. Thank you very much, Rudima. The love of God towards us and our love towards God lead us to love one another. And it's true that everyone around us needs love and affection. Encourage people around you. Pray for one another. Act humbly towards others. Be hospitable to everyone. Serve others with love. Bear others' burden. And these are the simple ways we must follow if we want to learn how to love one another. And with this, let's get ready for the next, and that is a play. And I would like to invite on stage students from class 8th and 9th. And after this wonderful play, laughter and fun, dancing allows one to express oneself. It provides physical, mental refreshment and relaxation. Besides this, it can provide a lot of entertainment to the audience. Let's get ready for the next, which is a dance performance. I would like to invite on stage students from class 9th. Thank you very much to all of you. We have some duties and responsibilities towards the country we live in. National anthem instills in us a feeling of belongingness and patriotism and makes us feel united and together. And let us pay respect to our country by singing national anthem. After the command, our national anthem. Dear friends, one of the most important tasks for humankind is that we should learn to live together and understand one another. Someone beautifully said that let's enjoy this world. Let's enjoy one another. We are meant to love one another, not to hate one another. And here we end today's morning assembly. Thank you very much to all of you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.